Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious donuts just like your favorite coffee shop. We'll start by gathering all the necessary ingredients, ensuring you have everything ready for a smooth process. Then, we'll dive into the precise measurements and preparation steps that are crucial for achieving that perfect texture and taste. Get ready to create some amazing homemade treats. Now, let's focus on crafting the perfect dough. First, activate your yeast correctly. This is key for a light and fluffy donut. Next, you'll knead the dough for about 8 to 10 minutes until it's wonderfully smooth and elastic. Finally, let it rise in a warm spot for 1 to 2 hours, allowing it to double in size and develop its full flavor. With your dough ready, it's time for shaping and frying. Roll the dough to about 1/2 inch thick, then use a donut cutter to create those classic shapes. Heat your frying oil to precisely 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry each side for about 60 to 90 seconds until golden brown, ensuring they cook evenly and perfectly. Finally, let's add those delicious finishing touches. Prepare a simple glaze with powdered sugar, a splash of milk, and a hint of vanilla extract. While your donuts are still warm, dip them into the glaze, ensuring a thin, even coating. Let the glaze set for just a few minutes, and then your homemade, bakery-style donuts are ready to be enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.